Hey friends, welcome back to She's At It Again. My name is Tanya, and today I'm gonna show you a recipe, and you're probably gonna, well, you probably already read the title and you're going, I am not making that. There is no way. That is disgusting. I call this Tunalicious. Now, the friend of mine that introduced me to this called it tuna mold, but if anything's gonna turn me against making something, it's calling it mold. I don't wanna make anything that's the word mold in it. But my friend Mindy, who was so sweet in Tulsa when we first moved there, she just did everything she could to help me meet new people and would invite just everybody over and invite me over, and we just had the best time. She was the best hostess ever. But she invited me by myself, I think one day, to her house, and we just sat and visited, and I got to know her better. But she fixed this as kind of a little snacky thing for us to eat. And when she told me it was tuna something, my first thought was, I hope it's tuna salad, because that's really about the only thing I like with tuna in it. I'm just not big on a hot tuna casserole. But she brought this out. It was cold, and I'm not a fan of raw onions, but I'm telling you what, I ate this and I couldn't stop thinking about it. It was so weird. So this is one of those things. It has capers in it, which are some of my favorites. And if you've never had capers, it's in a salty brine. It's a berry from a bush that grows in the Mediterranean. They're not grown anywhere around here, but they're just so good. And this also has green olives, which are some of my favorites. And you know, if I'm going to use my homemade mayonnaise and use almost a cup of it in something, it's got to be worth it, because I'm telling you what, I make more mayonnaise than anybody. Well, yeah, anyway, I'm a mayonnaise factory around here. But this takes almost a cup of mayonnaise, not quite. But you're going to use some gelatin, and it's just the funkiest stuff. It's such a good appetizer. But I'm telling you what, I'll sit down with a box of these organic buttery crackers and this stuff. That's my lunch. It is so good. So anyway, I encourage you to give this a try. If nothing else, take it to some place. Like if somebody invites you over and they say, just bring an appetizer, bring this and a box of those buttery crackers, kind of like Ritz, but I mean, whatever you can find. Take this there and try it there. That way, if you don't like it, somebody else will eat all of it. But I'm telling you what, you take a bite of this, and if you like salty, briny stuff, like olives and stuff like that, you're gonna love this. The ingredients are, but I'm not talking during the video itself. But I'm just trying to get a shot of things like blooming your gelatin, because a lot of people are like, gelatin, I don't know what to do with that. So anyway, hope you give this a try. And anyway, once it's all over, thanks for watching. See ya.